If your left or right AirPod won't charge, you're definitely not the only one. This is one of the most common issues with AirPods Gen 3 and Pro, and the good news? You can probably fix it yourself in minutes by simply cleaning the charging contacts or resetting your AirPods. In this video, we'll break down why this happens, what to check first, 9 real-world fixes, and when it's time to replace it. Stick around. Your fix might be easier than you think. Let's start with why one AirPod might stop charging. Common reasons: dust or earwax on charging contacts, loose fit inside the case, battery imbalance from overuse, charging case not providing power, AirPod not sitting flush with the pin, damaged charging pins, software misreading battery status. These aren't necessarily broken AirPods. Most of the time, they just need a little maintenance. The number one fix? Proper cleaning. Here's how. Use 70% isopropyl alcohol, dip a cotton swab or lint-free cloth, clean the metal end of the AirPod stem. Gently clean inside the charging slot in the case. Even invisible debris can block the connection. This is the most effective fix we've seen, and it takes less than 2 minutes. This one comes straight from Reddit, and it's surprisingly effective. Cut a tiny piece of paper and place it in the lid above the non-charging AirPod. When you close the case, it forces the AirPod downward to make full contact. For many, this instantly brought dead AirPods back to life after just 10 to 15 minutes inside the case. Sometimes it's not hardware, it's a software glitch. Steps: place both AirPods in the case. Hold the button on the back for 15 seconds. Wait until the light flashes amber, then white. Remove from Bluetooth settings, reconnect from scratch. This often fixes charging bugs and misread battery levels. You'd be surprised how many people forget this. Your case might be too low to power both buds. Make sure the LED stays green when you plug it in. If not, your case isn't fully charged, and it won't consistently charge both AirPods. A fully charged case is crucial for reliably charging both AirPods, ensuring they're ready for use when you need them. So always aim for that solid green light before relying on your case to top up your AirPods. Do you always use just one AirPod, like the left one for calls? Over time, that one degrades faster than the other. To keep both batteries healthy, alternate usage or use both AirPods equally. An unbalanced battery might seem dead when it's just worn out from overuse. This uneven degradation can lead to one AirPod having significantly less battery life than the other, creating the illusion of a faulty AirPod. Therefore, regular rotation helps ensure both AirPods experience similar wear and tear, extending their overall lifespan. In some cases, the charging pin is pushed down and not making contact. Use a non-metal tool like a toothpick or spudger. Gently press upward on the copper pin inside the slot. You're not trying to bend it, just realign it to touch the AirPod again. This subtle adjustment can re-establish the crucial connection needed for charging. A misaligned pin is a common culprit for a single AirPod failing to charge, and a gentle nudge is often all it takes to resolve the issue. If you can, borrow a friend's case, just to test. Put your left AirPod into a different compatible case. If it charges, your AirPod is fine. If it doesn't, it may be dead. This helps you figure out if the issue is the case or the bud. This simple troubleshooting step can save you time and frustration, narrowing down the potential problem area. By isolating the variable, you can avoid unnecessary repairs or purchases, leading to a quicker solution. Apple's battery widget can misread the AirPod status. Try expanding it to full view or removing and reinserting the AirPods. Some users fix the issue by simply refreshing the widget. There are also third-party apps that show exact battery levels if you want more control. This can be especially helpful for diagnosing phantom battery drain or ensuring both AirPods are charging correctly. Inaccurate readings from the native widget can be frustrating. So, exploring alternative display methods can provide a clearer picture of your AirPods' actual battery health. This is your final combo move. Deep clean plus full reset. Clean both the bud and case thoroughly. Then reset the AirPods. This resolves the majority of non-charging buds. If it still doesn't work, you might be dealing with a dead cell. At this point, the battery in the affected AirPod has likely reached the end of its lifespan and will require a replacement or service from Apple. Unfortunately, a dead cell is typically not something that can be fixed by the user. So what if it's truly dead? Apple sells individual AirPods replacements. Gen 3, about $69. AirPods Pro, about $89. Check Apple Care Plus. Battery issues may be covered, often if the battery capacity falls below 80%. You can also find refurbished or certified used replacements online. Just make sure the serial number matches your case to ensure compatibility and authenticity. Here's a quick recap of the 9 real fixes. Clean the contacts. Use the paper trick. Reset and repair. Fully charge the case. Rotate AirPod usage. Adjust charging pin. Swap cases, if possible. Refresh battery widget. Final reset and clean combo. If one of these worked for you, drop it in the comments. It helps others find a fix faster. Subscribe for more real-world fixes, device breakdowns, and tech help without the fluff.